another round of breaking update. This is high drama that has been witnessed outside Kolkata Shyam Sundari Kali Mandir as the TMC leaders Kunal Ghosh and Ayan Chakrabarti clashed with the temple authorities, apparently accusing them of extorting money from the devotees. The scuffle that ensued when Ghosh and other TMC leaders were attempting to enter the temple, alleging wrongful collection of funds and of jewelry. However, the temple officials have hit back, claiming that Ghosh had demanded money in extortion, leading to the confrontation. Well, you can see the pictures of the scuffle there that was witnessed. This is a battle of the different versions that have now emerged over this altercation that was reported in a Kolkata Kali Mandir.
यहाँ पर एक टेम्पल है, यहाँ का मोहल्ला वाला का जो एलिगेशंस है वो पूरा ब्लैकमेल कर रहा है। ये एलिगेशंस है, बहुत दिन से ये चल रहा है कि रुपया और आपका ये होगा वो होगा, आपका ये ज्वेलरी पसंद हो गया है माँ को, माँ रात में चल रहा है, ऐसा सब हो रहा है। तो बहुत दिन से ये आ रहा था, बहुत झूठ बोल रहा है ये सब। ये एक साल से बहुत अब पूरा ये मोहल्ला जैम हो जा रहा है, तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम है। मंदिर से लेकर हमारा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मंदिर तो रहना ही चाहिए, लेकिन मंदिर से जुड़कर जो भी हो रहा है उससे ये इलाका में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है।
Scuffle broke out here in North Kolkata as TMC leader Kunal Ghosh and his men has arrived over here at a very famous Kali temple, alleging there are lot of things illegally happening. We can see that TMC men have engaged an attack. The devotees have arrived over here. Let me unfold you what is exactly happening over here. This entire stretch where we are bringing this reportage, we can see that these people have arrived at Shyam Sundar Kali Temple, which is located near Kolkata Sukiya Street area. Now Kunal Ghosh alleges there are several, these people are being cheated for a quite long, which is why now people and TMC men have arrived and they engaged themselves a scuffle with the devotees. Those have arrived. We can see Kunal Ghosh and other party leader are continue to demonstrate at the doorstep of that Kali temple. We're gonna take you and to understand what is happening over there. Kunal Ghosh is heading towards the Kali temple. A scuffle broke out. We can see that this kind of a protest erupted in Kolkata. Now TMC allegedly said that this thing has been done for a long time, for which local people are facing difficulties, which is why they protested.
Well, let's get in a word from Ritik right now. What is the situation after this altercation that has been reported? And what was the possible reason? Because we are hearing different versions coming from both sides.
Well, we continue to bring this broadcast from that exact spot. Let me tell you what is happening currently, that we can see that police has arrived and they have barricaded the entire street. As you can see, the devotees are waiting over here, and we given to understand that Kunal Ghosh and local councillor also they are waiting at this spot. Let me also tell you what exactly unfolds this morning. They alleges this famous temple, which is located in Kolkata's north region, was extorting money from the devotees, and many things have been going on in this temple by the authority illegally, which is why they protested, and they said that that is causing a huge problem for the local commoners. But we did see that the people and the TMC men, they tried to barge into the temple, but there is counter allegation from the temple authority as well. We spoke to the Purohit of this temple. They alleges that TMC leader Kunal Ghosh and its party men, including local councillor, tried to extorting money from them, from the temple authority. They also alleges went on record stating that for the New Year celebration, Kunal Ghosh demanded 1 lakh money, which is why and they refuse to do that, which is why they are.
Well, we heard the version that came in from Kunal Ghosh as far as this arguments is concerned. We'll just come back to you, Ritik, as he's been also speaking to the people there who have witnessed this altercation. The Purohit side, or what the temple authorities have been saying on this issue. Let's listen in.
जब से इस मंदिर में आए हैं बहुत बार भांगचूर किया है कुणाल घोष अपने लोग देके। हम लोग के पास अपना लोग बार बार भेजा है कि हम लोग को इतना पैसा दो नहीं तो भांगचूर करेंगे। बहुत बार कुणाल घोष किए हैं। उनका काउंसिलर को वो जो बोलता है वही सुनता है। सब लोग को ऐसा पता है। कुणाल घोष बार बार ऐसा किया है। इस बार झमेला का कारण है 1 लाख रुपए मांगा 1 जनवरी के लिए। हम लोग का हम लोग से मांगा था।
किसने मांगा था?
अब
कुणाल घोष या फिर उनके कोई लोग?
वही लोग कुणाल घोष भेजता है, वो खुद आएगा। वो कभी खुद नहीं आता। वो मंदिर में 2-3 बार पहले आया था, जब नया नया मंदिर आया था, आके पूजा करके गया, प्रसाद लेके गया, 2-3 बार आया, लेकिन तब कुछ नहीं बोला। हम लोग को पता नहीं था कि उनका यही अभिप्राय है। कभी कभी माँ का गहना चाहता है कि माँ का गहना हम लोग को दो, तो हम लोग कैसे देंगे? बोल रहा है तुम लोग 2 नंबर करके गहना ले। तो 2 नंबर करके कोई गहना ले सकते हैं? आप लेके दिखाइए तो।